Welcome to Tai Chi for Neuropathy. This routine will help you improve circulation, enhance your balance, and bring awareness to your day. And don't worry about getting the movements perfect. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together, or as close as you can. The hands can come to the lower abdomen, just taking a few deep breaths in and out. As you breathe in, the belly expands, and as you breathe out, the belly returns toward the spine. Just breathing in and breathing out, taking a moment to really arrive in the body. Feeling the sensations in the body getting out of the head, reducing the stress, coming into the present moment. Just letting go of all the worries from the day. And then on the next inhale, if you like, you can hold the breath at the top just for a moment. And then let it out with a big sigh. Just letting out tension and stress. The hands can float down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as you gather in the energy, bring it into the heart, send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. One more time, sink the chi. And then step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up in front. The arms float down. The knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, softening down. Like mist rising from the lake, and then floating down like a gentle rain, opening the door, the start of the journey. All right, one more time. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down. Holding up the sky. Breathing in. Breathing out. Taking as many breaths as you need. One more time, holding up the sky. This time the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. Switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first, and then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, just easing in, nice and gentle, one more time, connecting sky and earth. Then the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner. The other hand pushes behind, coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. Gentle rotation. Pushing to the corner, one more time. This time the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. Sending out little waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. This time the hands come together in prayer position. They come right in front of the heart. And then step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, softening the hips and the knees as you soften down. Then as you rise up, the fingertips point up, looking to the side. Coming back down, looking to the other side. The dragon looks side to side. Coming down, rising up. All right, one more time. This time the hands go onto their sides as they drift across the horizon, and then a little bit lower across the heart, and then across the lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across the eye level, and then the heart, lower abdomen, drifting back up. We'll do another round, really opening the wrists, the elbows, the shoulders, leaning in if you like. All right, one more time. or one more round, swimming dragon. And then release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer, and then from here, shift all your weight over to one side, draw the hands in towards the heart and step in, and then step out to the corner as you push forwards in space. Drawing back in, and push, pushing the mountain. Breathing in, and breathing out. All right, one more time. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, back out to the corner, parting the clouds. Breathing in, open. Breathing out. As always, take as many breaths as you need. Just keep on breathing. One more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, the hands come back in towards the heart. Shift the weight as you step in, and then step out to the corner as you push the mountain. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Really taking your time, bringing mindfulness to the body, feeling the sensations, going for the ride. One more time, pushing the mountain. This time, draw the hands in, palms face each other. The hands go out to the corner, palms face away from each other. They open, circling out and around, scooping under, and then back to the corner, parting the clouds. See if you can feel the air between the fingers. How mindful can you be? All right, one more time, parting the clouds. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, shift all your weight over to one side and step in, and then step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open out to the sides. The front knee bends. Then the front knee straightens as you shift back, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float to the sides, the butterfly. Cross the wrists as you shift forward, front knee bends, arms open. Shifting back, keeping the spine long, arms float to the sides. You don't have to go very low. Crossing the wrists as you come forward. One more time, the butterfly on this side. Take a bow. Spread the wings. Crossing the wrists and open. Step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Take your time as you step in, and then step out to the other corner, the arms open, the front knee bends, and then shift the weight back, cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, keeping the spine long, the arms float to the sides, cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. The butterfly. Keeping the spine long, the front knee can bend, or you can straighten it, open. One more round of the butterfly. Take a bow. Flutter the wings. Open. This time, step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, both arms float all the way over to the side and down, floating up to shoulder height. One hand makes an arrow, the other draws the bow, and then soften down. Rising back up, release the bow, other side. The other hand makes an arrow, draw the bow, soften down. This time you can do it all together. Draw the bow as you soften down. One more time, the archer. And then release, circle around, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, the arms open up wide. This hand here scoops under. Step in as you catch the moon. Step out to the side. And as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. The other hand floats down. Circle it around again. Ward off. Expanding and lifting. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down. Circle it around again, rolling back. Receiving, shifting the weight, going with the flow. This time we'll toss it away. The arms float out to the side. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, then shift the weight forward. Slide down, toss away. The hand folds in, press forward. One more time, the press. This time the hands separate, draw the hands in towards the heart, and push. Once again, pushing the mountain, just like we did in the beginning. Right out to the side once more. Breathing in, breathing out, and then sit back and open. Wipe across the horizon. Take your time as you step in, catch the moon. Step out to the other side. And as you step out, the bottom arm floats up until it's parallel with the earth. Circle it around again, ward off. One more time, breathing in, breathing out. This time, bottom hand scoops under, fingertips slide down like they're sliding down the curtain. And then circle it around again, roll back. Tuning in to the sensations. One more time, roll back, and then toss away. The hand folds in, pressing palm to palm, shift the weight forward, slide down, toss away, fold it in, press forward. One more time, the press. The hands separate, draw them in towards the heart, and push. Pushing the mountain, breathing in and breathing out. One more time, just like the ocean. The tide rolls in, tide rolls out. This time, sit back and open, wipe across. Take your time stepping in. We'll do each movement one time. Grasping the bird's tail, step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Fold it in, press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back, open, wipe across, other side. Grasping the bird's tail, step in, catch the moon. Step out and ward off. Roll back. Toss away. Press. Release. Draw in and push. Sit back this time, hug the tree right out in front. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other. The hands float down in front. The hands push behind. And then as they come forward, the palms face up as we gather in the breath. And then let it wash down in front of the body, through the body. Scooping under, breathing in, breathing out, the bathing breath. As if we're bathing in this healing energy, just letting it wash through the body. Imagining this healing light going all the way through, breathing in, breathing out. One more time, the bathing breath. Then the arms float out to the sides, spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up, one hand on top of the other. This hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front, gathering in the energy, Bring it into the heart to transform into loving kindness and self-compassion. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Feeling all the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. I hope you enjoyed today's session. If you did, this class is part of our free monthly clickable calendar program. Just click the link below to get your free monthly clickable calendar. Thank you so much, and I look forward to having you in class again real soon. Peace.